everybody. Today is July 1st, 2016. And you know, well, July is just a couple days away. We don't do nothing special for it. We usually go out and go see the fireworks or something like that, but about it. But today it's out 8:30 in the morning. I'm gonna take Trish to work. It's coming now. Not really a lot going on. I know, I'm sure it's like 2 or 2, something like that, but we just got paid on layaway today. About it. Tomorrow, our family reunion. Now, we both happen to be off, so if we go, we have to follow my mom down. I mean, I'm guessing we're going. I have no idea. I mean, I could probably record it for you guys so you can see how fucked up my family really is. So yeah. Now, last night I didn't get to upload the videos that I had because I kind of fell asleep. So I'm uploading, you know. So we have a couple uploaded today because of it. Hopefully y'all enjoy my story of how I met EC3. Even though I'm pretty sure probably half of you are going to think it wasn't real. Because, you know, no video or photo proof. But, you know. I guess, you know, you believe whatever the hell you want. So, we're going to take Trish to work, so we'll see you guys in a little bit. So I just got home, taking Trish to work. The rain just now started, so I just beat the rain. It's supposed to rain most of the day, but hopefully there'll be a break in it whenever I have to go pick her up, so I don't have to worry about that as much. I mean, you can't really tell right now. I mean, you can see a little bit of water on the ground, but that's about it. It's only just started. I don't know what's even planned today. So right now, though, here it's either tomorrow we're gonna go to the parade or we're gonna go to the family reunion. Haven't been fully decided yet on what the hell is really going on yet. Guess you'll figure it out whenever I figure it out, and it's usually last minute. But I always thought there'll be a video about it either way for everybody. So it's not that bad. So surprisingly enough, you know, I decided to go to a yard sale because I was bored. You know, sometimes you can actually find something good. And today, you know, I actually found myself something that I figured was actually pretty interesting and good. For once. I got me a new sword, which is really nice. I might save myself. Wouldn't mind looking at it. There's the top of it. Yeah, the snake and the Grim Reaper. Fun little design. Fun looking design on it. But nice long sword. Wrapped up right now. After I unwrap it and stuff like that here, I'll show you guys what it fully looks like for all of you. Alright, everybody. So here's the picture, here's the video of the sword like I told you. As you can see, snake, the Grim Reaper, nice blade. Nice long blade to it. Pretty nice. So, a little dirty right there, but you know, you can polish it up and stuff like that. Have no problem polishing it up a little bit. Right there, still the price tag on it. For what I got it for, which was actually very, very cheap, I might add, than what you would probably think it probably costs. I only paid a few dollars for it. Hence why I like garage sales sometimes.
No, I don't want it back.
Eat the lemon.
No.
Take a bite. Take a bite.
You're so weird.
What's wrong with lemons? She just keeps licking it though.
The way she's just, I don't understand her.
What I don't understand still is why in the world does she not want to take the damn band-aid off?
Can you stop doing it like that?
Just to bite it.
Take a bite out of it.
Not the peel. Well, the peel don't taste good as it is.
You like sour.
You want Pappy's lemon heads. Well, those are lemons right there.
That's just what Pappy's lemon heads taste like.
Look at that daddy lucky girl. Everybody today kept asking over if she was Daddy's girl because of that shirt. No.
Where's my cup?
Give Mom my kiss. Give Mom my kiss.
Here, come here. Let me see your band-aid.
No.
I want you to show
It slides right off.
the camera.
Let me see your finger.
Don't.
Come on, I ain't gonna touch it. See the boo boo. Yes. Because as you see, she ripped that band.
I know it's not bleeding.
Because you know she ripped it off this morning. And always wants it on though.
No, that's just your flesh. That's a scab.
Scab's good. Scab means it's healing now. It's probably gonna scar, but it's healing.
Where you guys go? Here you go, babe.
There's your dinner.
Look at that.
Unless you cook the broccoli for once. Usually they don't cook it.
It's not that hot. It's just warm.
The things I deal with kids, I'm telling you.
No.
Hello. Now wait till you watch this one. Part of it goes off, you know, with me saying I don't know what the hell we're doing today because you keep changing your mind on stuff we were going to do. At one point, you know, you wanted to go to the reunion. The other point, you wanted to go to the parade, and then you want to go to Kennywood, and then you don't.
There's so many choices. The thing is, though, the parade and the reunion are free.
And
It saves money.
you get free food at the reunion, and y'all can see how crazy my family is.
I gotta make sure Adorea looks super cute, and everybody's gonna be like, look how cute and smart she is. Oh my god, she's only 2.
Yeah, we gotta remember now. It's only, you know, the select people, because you remember now, not everybody talk. We all just talk to the same people.
Every time somebody asks how old she is and we say 2, they're shocked because of how well she talks and how much she knows.
Especially our own,
And
especially
the
our own
big
family.
words that she uses, like defiant and
Yeah.
patience.
The fun part is though, she actually knows what the word means.
I taught her what the word infection meant last night. I was putting Neosporin on her finger.
Did you?
Why are you cutting it? I got broccoli too.
Is it too big of a piece for you? You gotta cut it up?
Not yet. They gotta cook my food. I got broccoli and fish. No, you got grilled cheese.
You know, I got to think now though. Here at the parade, you know, here you're gonna get pissed off because either they ain't gonna throw her candy again. What's the reunion? Yeah, my mom's on the phone with Tracy or somebody. She was saying over here she can't figure out her way, you know, to call or text whatever here, and she would stop and pull over somewhere and try to help her. I don't know if Brian's working or not, but
There's blood in there.
probably oozing out a little bit. I'm waiting for it to start bleeding again because with her holding a knife, and I'm cutting her finger off. She's cutting her food in tiny pieces for I don't know what reasons now.
Get that from your mom.
I know she does. I know. My mom's crazy like that.
Come here. Doria. 1, 2, 3, 4. Quit pulling my shirt off.
Really, usually she pulls it down.
Okay, I'll hold you now.
Hey, kitty. Hey, Adorea. Show mommy how a fish goes.
You guys started with something to drink? Here. Okay. Pepsi?
No. You need to show mommy how a fish goes. Hmm? No, I thought what you were showing me and Pappy. You know how when she tries to play dead, she has like a seizure. You should see her doing a fish. It's worse. No. She told me she can't fly and stuff like that. She's like flapping her arms and flailing her legs and everything else. Like, I can't fly.
Thank you.
The fish don't fly.
Okay, I need you to sit down for a minute.
Just for a minute. and we can leave.
You know how I am.
No, how are you? You haven't told me yet.
It has to be clean.
You haven't told me yet how you are.
We're not barbarians.
Okay, she says it's just. My gosh, she says it's clean though, but you should see whenever the service is terrible.
Well, yeah, because then they don't deserve a clean table. But if you're actually a good waitress, you deserve the customer to clean off the table for you.
No, I ain't the asshole who don't tip. Knowing that these people get paid maybe like $3, $4.
What, these? La, 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 la.
Sing.
A happy song.
I got damn hiccups in a room the whole damn video.
Guess what happened with you?
Why?
You have lemon pops in the car.
Yeah, exactly.
All together?
Everybody's gonna get all confused on why the hell I'm doing this. Boogity, 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 boogity. Boogity, boogity. Like, what the heck? They'll be like,
Get back in.
wipeouts.
Yes.
Okay, everybody. I got bored doing that. Y'all don't think I'm crazy now?
Hey. Calm down. Calm down, Chubb.
I see. Yeah, crush a kid.
Hey. Why are they light?
I don't know why the hell it's taking forever to light. There you go.
Here, take your stick. Don't. What? Doria, hold the stick.
Can hold on to it.
Yes, you can. Hold on to the stick. You did it last year.
It won't get you.
See? Now let's hold it there.
Look.
See?
How pretty. Oh, so close. You almost had yours go off. I was kind of expecting them to go off different colors though. They said the rainbow thingy. Yeah, it's gonna do that, babe. It's okay.
I got fucking dead.
You sure about that though?
These are shit.
I got mine. Now look you.
Mine sparks for a second.
See how this goes. It all comes out of a little box, with a little hole. I'm pretty sure my parents might bitch about this one. Put it right here. Is this good or evil?
Good.
Oh, okay. This is a box of good. You know, we're the box of evil still.
That was fun.
Was it?
We just woke up the neighborhood though.
Again.
think we woke up the neighborhood though.
I'm gonna try it again.
I don't know. That's noisier than I thought. Where? Say it out loud. Say like,
Like,
subscribe,
subscribe,
favorite.
favorite.
Comment.
Say comment.
Adorea. Say comment.
Comment.
You busy with fireworks?
Okay.
You can't even do an outro?
Nope. No,
You just gotta play with the sparklers? You're not gonna do an outro?
Nope.
Let's do it. These are getting out.
Which one's gonna burn out first?
This one.
It's gonna be the green one.
This one is gonna
Green one's starting to think you can sing it quicker. They burn for over a minute though. Oh.
That one's fun.
The green one started first, but it lasts longer.
All done go out.
Ooh, stop it. Who broke them?
Now what?
Well, unless you don't light up the other one, you gotta go inside.
Oh.
Get the little one to bed. So we can get up in the morning and go out.
When did I put those in there?
I don't know. This one shouldn't be hot anymore.
Cause a forest fire. Stop.
This one's.
In there. You don't listen to me.
Nobody listens to you.
There, allow me to fucking ignore your words.
Well, stop smacking the thing. It won't be as hot now, would it? You know, my dad gonna bitch at you.
I don't know what I'm doing.
Hope they do know. They secretly watch our shit without us knowing.
Daddy, look. I'm little and I'm big.
Yeah.
No.
Look, here's
That one don't need to be broken. It's already cold down. The other ones are up there.
So you want to lit off the last one?
I don't care. It's either that or we're gonna wait till tomorrow.
What? I just said.
But it is a finale.
Yeah, so it's the other one, technically. So it's up to you. I don't care.
What?
Alright. So now we're gonna light up the grand finale. See how this works out for us. The end of the video. The grand finale for everybody.
Big fire.
Hopefully everybody loves the grand finale. Woohoo. Are you styling and profiling? Huh?
Ticky-ticky-tock. Was it warm in there?
Adorea, say woo.
Woo! Are you recording?
Yes.
Drink.
Yeah, do it again.
Eli drink.
Who's Eli?
Eli drink.
Is what?
Lena drink. Said Lena drink is back alive. You want that one? Yes.
Do you Brad know who that is?
Who?
Eli Drake.
Alright, everybody. So this is the end for today. Hope y'all enjoyed it, especially our big finale ending right there for all of you. So I'll tell y'all to like, subscribe, comment, follow us, all the other fun shit. We gotta get up early ass in the morning tomorrow to head out. I'm gonna start filming early in the morning for all you guys and gals and everybody else who's watching. I would still like to thank all of you for watching. Keep telling your friends, stuff like that. We're still pushing out more stuff all the time. I got 2 videos I can upload today. I would love to push out 3. Would love to, but I don't see it happening. I really don't. So I don't think I have the time to edit it all. But who knows? I might. So keep an eye out. At least 1, maybe 2, depending on who you are. On videos, comment on our stuff. You know, same shit as always, I guess. You know, because if you don't tell everybody, then people start forgetting to do it and everything else. So make sure you like it, you comment it, you subscribe it. We answer back to you all the time. We love all your feedback. You support us, we'll support you. Thank you guys very much. We'll see you guys in the morning.